Alright, well, this is the phone I got from Radio Shack, and it was $190 plus tax, and it's actually very nice. It's a pretty nice phone. It's real small, like, see? Well, my friends just wanted to see my phone, and here it is. So, hope you liked the vid. Subscribe.